Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove all bookmarks from your Bookmarks tab in x.com. In order to do so, first off, here we are at x.com and we're all logged in. And what we're looking for is on the left hand side, you should see the bookmarks option in the menu. We're going to go ahead and select that. And then from here, you can see the various bookmarks that you have selected. And what you can do is you can go to the individual bookmarks and you'll see that the bookmark here is highlighted in blue, which means that it's active. And if you want to remove it, then you can click and it will remove the post from your bookmarks. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.